Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AWeber account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a new email list in your AWeber account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, before we go any further, I want to let you know, in order to create a second or a third or other email lists within your AWeber account, you have to have a paid plan. The light plan won't work, neither will the free. But why would you want to create another email list inside AWeber anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you have different lists for different goals or customer bases. So for example, if you have a list of people who like Chinese food, you're probably going to want a different list for people who like Mexican food and keep those separated. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AWeber dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a second email list into your AWeber account, you're going to click up here on this bar, list. So you can see I have this list right here. Once you click there, you're going to see this menu pop out and you want to click here on create new list. Okay, next AWeber is going to ask you a few questions. So first you're going to want to put in your company name, and then here you can go ahead and put your website information here. That is optional. However, this part down here is not optional. Which address do you want to show up at the bottom of your emails? So I'm going to enter this information in off screen. Okay, once you fill that out, go ahead and click on this blue next button. Okay, next you're going to want to fill this out. So they're asking for the list name. So this is going to be for my Mexican food fans. And then here you can add a description, viewers that like Mexican food. And then here you can go ahead and put who this is from. You probably want to use something that your viewers are going to recognize, because if strange is not related to your website or to your channel or whatever it is, they may not open up the email. Also, this is a test account, so I'm using a Gmail. They're letting you know if you use a Gmail, you're going to have deliverability issues. So you want to make sure that you use a domain that you own. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, next you can go ahead and fill this out. What is the language? So I'm going to leave it at English, but you can choose whichever language you work in. And the subject line, this is for the double opt-in. So confirm your request. Okay, and then here is what the opt-in looks like that they'll receive. You can go ahead and edit this if you want. I'm going to leave it the same just for the purpose of this video. And then you want to click on create list. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my AWeber dashboard, and we have added a new email list. So as you can see right here at the top, if we click on list, okay, it shows me my list. So I have this one right here, which is my YouTube channel, and then also this new list that we just created for Mexican food fans. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a second email list into your AWeber account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.